Lambda. That's how you pronounce it. Lambda locator. No, Dad. When I grow up, what do you want to be, son? I want to be a Lambda locator. Shut the up. God, that's all you talk about. Lambda. I'm gonna slit your throat. Conversation had not by me. Only you can prevent the espionage. Another one. See, I could have found that other one. I just need to find the stuff. And what the? Oh.
Like that! Hey! You're Freeman, aren't you? We got word you were coming. You got here at a bad time.
Black Mesa East to Station 6. Do you read? Dr. Freeman is on his way downriver. Lend him the airboat and give him all the help you can. Repeat, Gordon Freeman has returned. It is critical he reaches Black Mesa East.
You better get going now.
Thank you. You always try to tell me how you could. Stay back there.
Incoming!
They're shelling us!
Oh, so that's where the Gary's Hunt thing comes from. God dang it. Oh, shut up. How about that? Thanks. Come on. What the? Why aren't you dead? I shot you like 14 times. I don't know how these people live out here. Anarchy. What the? That looks pretty cool, actually. Gotta be honest with you. Damn it. I hope I didn't just go in a circle. Dang it.
Hey, Dr. Freeman. I've been hoping you'd show up. Got this airboat all gassed up and ready to go. It's gonna be tough dodging civil protection out there in the open, but drive hard and you'll make it. You'll find more help up at Station 7. Just a few bends up the river. It's the old red barn. Climb on in. Fire her up. going now.
What a feeling I'm gonna have to get off. Hopefully that's an autosave. But you never know, so you know you always have to plan ahead. Beep beep. Oh. Oh wait. This is water hazard. I have a feeling that I'm not gonna like this fight. I'll just park over here for now. Definitely not gonna like this fight. God.
Do you read?
They sending all they got at me, but these hoes ain't got shit on me. Boons, boons, boons. Boons, boons, boons. Wow, really? Oh. Get up, get up. Oh, what did I just cut down? Too much of a waste of water, so be out. Bang around. Time out.